Hello guys, welcome back to another Dudes at Hazard Distribution Company video. We will be changing the oil after I have broken the engine. I gotta get the all the little metal shavings out of the engine, so I'm going to change oil now. So first things first, I'm gonna get my 10mm socket. Get my rag. Not too many metal shavings in there, to be honest with you. Now look at here. Now you can see it. You see all the metal shavings in there. So now I'm going to reinsert my things, my dipstick and my oil plug, and I'm going to now it's time to get my oil. So I'm gonna take my dipstick out once again. And I'm gonna get my oil. Y'all have probably seen it again. Let it sit for a good second. And it'll be good to go. Maybe I might have overfilled it just a little bit, tad bit. So, done with my oil, got some extra oil left. And I'll show you how much I got left. I don't know if you can really see that, but it's a little bit over 8 ounces. Here's a look at the old shop here. Got my old 5-horse Briggs, which I'm yet to get running. This might be coming up in a future project. I got the seat for my go-kart again, which that's what this engine's going for, is this Blue Earth Dog over here. And I had a weird idea to put this Pepsi on top of it, Pepsi crate. I still need to get new tires. I couldn't get that tire off, so I had 5-horse Briggs over there going on this little green machine go-kart. It's a nice little go-kart. I made it for my little brother. The seat I did by myself, courtesy of my little brother helping me. But yeah, the fort's being held down pretty strong over here. So that'd be a good video for here. Thank you guys for watching.